Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadirin live Snem ke Jingai Lenti ke Nongtalang College ke Belong ke College ke Barim Tam Hakathan Amlarem Civil Subdivision. Kelajam je ke Wepat umau jam beniyo ke Ïing building ke Pura bat ke Internet. Kini kelapau ku musok jang jing tre shitam ba ke Jingai Buddi jong MLA ke Than u belong ru menteri ke Tanat Pulih Putih ke Sorga Jela u ba lak men rembui. Ya ke college la seng ne ke dor bash Nongtalang. Hapo ke Jingai lam jong MLA Barim ke Than u ba John Deng Portman house Snem ke Kandai Spa Prapupra. Laban kedua bagi jingte ke building bersama jong Nongtalang College ha ke jaga ke Pura ha kirmia jong yau Nongtalang West Twenty Hills District la play ha ke kat wejuk la lingkot arajar apulai balas sedang ke kelas bat ke Ïing terekam ha ke college ke Pura ha ke kat aju urempang arajar apun rio.
Education today is a very dynamic, as I used to say time and again. But you have to prepare yourself. Many of you don't know what to do in the future and what you will do and what type of journey you will undertake. The most important thing is that because we don't know who we are. So my dear friend, first of all, who are you? You have to understand. When I talk about who are you, in you, there are many things. First and foremost, you have to understand yourself. What is your passion? What is your determination? And what is your cherished goal? This is very, very important. So that you can move ahead in life. What is your passion? What you want to do? That is very, very important. And the other thing which I want to say, that sometimes the youth of today think that, oh, this government, what is the government is doing? The government is neglect because we didn't get job. My dear friend, you have to prepare yourself. The government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Kynriah, we have invested huge amount of money for education sector. For your information of the student, 2024-25, only salary we pay at Nongtalang College is 4 crore plus. Only scholarship to the student about 27 lakh. 4.5 lakh, 4 crore 550 lakh. We invest in the Nongtalang College for whom? For you. The amount of investment which the government invested. So it's up to you, my dear friend. Fees is never paid fully by you. I'm talking about who are within the income limit. You know, in 2018, how much the student gets per year? Ma Ernest will know, less than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. But now, till 45,000. And who benefit? Is the college. That's why that day, when we have a meeting with the principal of government college, I told you, raise your fees. Raise your fees. But take 50 or 70%, take the fees which you take every year, take this year. Let the student pay the fees after they get the scholarship. So my dear friend, you are very lucky to come to Nongtalang College. I used to tell the people, if you go to Nongtalang College, it's like going for a take tuition. Because each and every faculty here, in 1 week they will know you, your name, your mother's name, everything they will know of you. But in other college, 4 years you will spend, nobody will recognize you, especially the backbench. As we said from day one, 2018, that education is our top priority. We try to reform, we try to resolve one by one. So my dear, and don't have the inferiority complex always. You are very unique, very, very unique. Because everybody, they have a different characteristic and they have a different gift of God. and different usefulness. So go out from your campus with a full confidence in your mind that yes, I conquer with the degree I get from Nongtalang College, I can conquer the world.
So we are in the new campus of Nongtalang College. This campus has been funded by various agencies like the UGC, and it has mostly been funded by RUSA under RUSA 1 and 2. And we have shifted to this campus this year. We started operating from this campus on the 12th of February this year. Shifted to this campus, but there are still many things that still remain to be, that are not perfect. The rooms and classrooms are all ready, but the problem that we have is that there's no network in this place. Network is very weak, and nowadays internet is very important. So one issue that we have here is the internet connectivity. Another issue that we have is the roads. The roads to the campus or within the campus are not ready, and also our football ground is also still under development. So there are a few more things coming up, like the indoor stadium that is still under construction. So these things are, still in the process, and I hope that they will be fixed soon.
Đang mình chua hiporo lai klasi hita hipo chnong district ha wato bon kari bon bro the chibet the one kari chibet the like kari chaitu the district ha men the em po classroom la manda batai kot ki no hikai le mo district ha ka ta mai se ikmat le khmit bek chaitu ta man po he ni ban new college campus the snyau hun hai ti man sin wato ka new college ka building le des ha them ivi le manda batai kot ki no hikai yi ha teu concentrate the kat i batai ke des nyau thu ha wato chenim em aurim em yi le kari lem em de jingai surok the kat i wan lem em i teu pen aurim yi bai sel concentrate ya ki nong kai an power ka jing snyau ngu we ka jing snyau komen ya u minister yang i ekhoble u le wato lang ba yang u de yo ai kani ka college lang ba ka jing ya luti yang u de yo ai kani ka new college campus ka man ga ni.
This whole campus is very nice, but the problems are network problem, and then there is no auditorium in this new campus. So I would like to talk about network issue because this campus is far away from the villages like the Nongtalang village, Tauki village. So network is very important here. So I would like to talk about that, and there is no auditorium in this campus. So I would like to talk about that also.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming! How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है,
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.